What's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we will be doing a night cleaning routine. This is pretty much what I do almost every night. Some nights, I will admit, I am super lazy. I feel like even my cleaning routine at night is pretty simple. It's not like too extravagant. I am pretty tired by nighttime, so I don't want to like dedicate too much time to cleaning. I feel like even my cleaning routine at night is pretty simple. It's not like too extravagant. I am pretty tired by nighttime, so I don't want to like dedicate too much time to cleaning. It may be complicated for some and then a little bit more simple for others. It just depends on, of course, who you are and how you clean, but for me it's a little bit more on the simple side. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to see more cleaning routine videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and let's go ahead and jump into my nighttime cleaning routine. Alright you guys, so to kick off my cleaning routine, I like to get myself in the mood to clean. So first thing I like to do is to light a candle, and I have finally busted out my fall candles. So I'm lighting the white pumpkin candle, and then I also turn on some music. I was in a Beyonce mood, so I went ahead and put on the Lemonade album and got to work. So I like to first start off by kind of getting rid of all of my clutter, especially at the kitchen table. So I'm pretty much putting away all the dishes. Cortez is upstairs putting Valerie down, so I like to wait until she's down for bed to kind of start cleaning because there's less chaos in the kitchen that way. So like I said earlier, I am putting away all the dishes. I like to put some in the dishwasher and then some that I just feel need to be hand washed. I will hand wash them myself. I'm like a stickler about a lot of grease, so if anything feels too greasy or too grimy, I will hand wash by myself. So I went ahead and put the easy dishes away in the dishwasher, and now I'm just washing all of the dirty dishes that need to be hand washed. Fortunately, it was a leftovers night, so I didn't have many dishes to wash, but let's say it was a full-on cooking night, I would have been washing dishes for a while, but thankfully it was only a few. So I'm just taking a sponge and some dishwashing liquid and washing all the dishes, and also Valerie's bib. I wash that every morning and night as well. So after we got the dishes out of the way, I have to get rid of all this extra clutter. I'm not sure if it's just me or if y'all feel the same way, but we spend like 98% of our time in the kitchen, so I feel like clutter just builds up throughout the day. So by the time it's nighttime, like my whole entire island is covered in just mess, whether it be kitchen ingredients, seasonings, like random shoebox, a scarf, like it's so random. So I pretty much have to spend a couple of minutes trying to organize the kitchen and get rid of all the clutter and just things that are laying around. Once I've done that, I like to wipe down all the counters because by this point there are probably crumbs all over the place. So I like to move my candle and flowers to the side and then wipe down my island, the counters, even my kitchen table. I wipe it all down just so I know there is no leftover crumbs, leftover juice, leftover residue from anything from that day. And of course, after I have wiped down my kitchen table, I will go ahead and put the centerpieces back where they were. And then I was out of some napkins, so I went ahead and refilled that. And lastly, for the kitchen, I always sweep because with a toddler, like there's bound to be something on the floor, and I would rather catch it than it just get messier and messier throughout the week. So I just kind of walk through my kitchen and sweep where I feel necessary. And yes, you guys, Beyonce had me feeling myself that night. I pretty much always have some sort of lip singing / dance party in my kitchen whenever I clean, because it just puts me in a better mood. And I just feel excited about cleaning whenever I get to enjoy music. So that's what I'm doing. That's why y'all see me randomly dancing and singing throughout this video. So now we are moving on to the living room, and honestly in here I don't do too much. It's more just about organizing things, kind of fluffing out some pillows and kind of putting things where they're supposed to be. But for the most part, this area is pretty simple. I like to fluff out the pillows because usually Cortez and I will kind of chill on the sofa at night, and I love for the pillows to be nice and soft and fluffy whenever we do lay around. And also I'll put like my laptop away because that's still there from whenever I was working earlier, and just random stuff like that I will kind of take care of. But this part I do literally every night. This is the one part I don't skip whenever I'm feeling lazy, because I'm kind of low-key OCD about it, and that is to wipe down my glass table. I mentioned in my previous morning cleaning routine video that no matter what I do, there will somehow be like fingerprints or like random milk stains and juice stains, which I know is totally normal, so I don't get mad about it. It's just I make it a priority to wipe down my glass table sometime in the morning and of course at night. And to finish off in the living room, I like to lightly vacuum. And whenever I say lightly, I just mean that I don't really do the entire living room. I just focus on like where the area is by our back door, because sometimes my dog Leia will track in like dirt, or she'll track in leaves and grass and all that kind of stuff in the house. So I like to focus on kind of vacuuming where that back door is, and then also vacuuming around the sofa, just quickly though. But that's usually where Cortez and I and Valerie will kind of hang out first thing in the morning, and I'll randomly find like a Cheerio or some kind of breakfast item around there. So I like to make sure I get that up, so that way no one steps on whatever is on the floor and there won't be crumbs later on. And this is just a quick shot of how my living room looks clean and how my kitchen looks clean. If you guys want like some sort of living room tour, let me know, because I got a lot of comments in my last video about you guys wanting to know where different things are. So I would definitely be happy to do that for you guys if y'all are interested. But moving on, I like to put a load of clothes in the washing machine before I go to bed. I mentioned in my previous cleaning video, I like to stay on top of laundry during the week, so that way I don't have to do too many loads during the weekend. So this is what saves me so much time on the weekends, and I just get it done and then fold it in the morning. And last but not least, to wrap up my nighttime cleaning routine, I like to kind of straighten up our upstairs game room area. This is where the family spends a big chunk of our time, because this is where Valerie's toys are, her books are, everything is. So by nighttime, that room is pretty much a disaster. There are blankets all over the place, pillows all over the place, books, toys, everything is just chaotic. So once she's down for bed and she's done playing for the night, I kind of go behind her and kind of clean up. We are starting to practice cleaning up, but of course she's literally only 1 year old, so we got a lot of ways to go, which is why the playroom still looks like this. So I like to kind of get things organized, put the balls back where they are in the ball pit, put the little blocks and stuff up, organize her books and everything, and that is pretty much all I do. And I can go to sleep knowing my house is a little bit cleaner, a little bit more organized, and just not a mess. guys, that concludes my nighttime cleaning routine. Hope you guys enjoy it. Go ahead and comment down below how our routines are similar and also different. I would love to know. Like I mentioned earlier, if you guys did enjoy today's video and want to see more, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye guys.